You want to take another bath today? You want to take another bath? It's okay. Did Mom use hot water today? Hot water. Take some hot water. You take hot water. Did you get good dinner tonight? Was it good? Was that chicken? You had some chicken? Chicken? Oh, you like the chicken, huh? Did you get some chicken and water? Is there anything else that came with that? Did it happen before or after your bath? Did it happen before or after your bath? Don't get shy.
You camera shy, Rexy?
Don't get shy, buddy.
Why'd you tell your daddy about your day?
Did you jump out of the car? Did you jump out of the car by yourself? Yeah, you jumped out. Alright.
What do you think, Stratton?
Okay.
Right in the face.
Alright, in the face.
Right in the face of the other dog.